Number 5, they would like us to justify. And that will be the last one to justify here. So, slide that on down. That reason is given. And then let's put that line down the middle of the equal sign. And as I take a look at this, I have no parentheses this time, so that's cool. No distribution to do. But I have like terms on both sides. Those n's is where I need to start off with. Now I know somebody's going to say 2n and 3n could be 5n, but they'd be incorrect. To go from one side to the other, I need to do an inverse of one of those. Now I always move the smaller variable, which in the case is negative 2n then. So I subtracted 2n. The 2n's will cancel on the left, and you're left with a 6. On the right-hand side, 3n minus 2n is, well, 1n. Plus 3 drops on down. Since I subtracted 2, we call that the subtraction property of equality. Then, n is almost by itself. The only thing I have to do is get rid of that plus 3. So that is a minus 3 from both sides. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3's cancel out on the right, and 3 is equal to n. And because I did subtracted 3, again, that is my subtraction property of equality. And that's it on that one. N is already by itself now. Number 6, let's just solve it out. We do not need to justify. So I'm going to go ahead and drop down that line down the middle, separate the left from the right. And the right-hand side is a bit of a mess. So let's start off by distributing the negative 6. So as I distribute the negative 6, right there, I still can see on the right-hand side it's still a bit of a mess because I have like terms to bring together. And then right there, negative 6k minus 6k, that's giving me a negative 12k. Watch your signs, that's an easy mistake to make. And all of a sudden now it becomes our two-step problem. You guys have done this for years. Negative 12 times k minus 42. Let's add a 42 to both sides. Watch your signs right here. Negative 138 plus 42 gives me negative 96. And that's negative 12 times k. The inverse of multiplication, again, is division. And again, watch your signs. You get a k on the right, negative 96 divided by negative 12. That is positive.